In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a WhatsApp chat app to your Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then sign in to your Weebly account. Click Website, select Edit Site, and open the website where you want to add the WhatsApp chat widget. Next, open a new browser tab and go to your preferred WhatsApp widget provider. Create your WhatsApp chat widget, customize its appearance and contact details, then publish it. Once it's ready, copy the embed code provided. Return to the Weebly editor and make sure you're on the Build tab. In the left panel, find the embed code element. If you don't see it, click Show All Elements to display the complete list. Drag the embed code element to your page where you want the widget to appear. Click the element, choose Edit Custom HTML and paste the WhatsApp widget embed code you copied earlier. After pasting the code, the WhatsApp chat button will be added to your website. Preview your site to confirm that the widget appears correctly and opens a WhatsApp conversation when clicked. When everything looks good, save your changes and publish your website so visitors can start contacting you through WhatsApp. That's how to add a WhatsApp chat app to your Weebly website. Thanks for watching.